Former CEM of the KHADC, who had made a comeback into the Congress party recently, PYNSHNGAIN, while referring to the leadership of the newly appointed MPCC President Vincent said that it is high time that the latter should unite all party members and see to it that there are no differences within the party. On the financial status of the state, PYNSHNGAIN said that currently Meghalaya is in a very pathetic financial crisis, and one of the means to get out of this crisis is to invite private parties to invest in the state so employment and economic conditions of the masses would be improved. Syiem was also confident of securing his position as MLA of South Shillong constituency and informed that there is still a lot of time for him to prepare for victory in the 2023 elections.
We are in a very bad financial position at the state. Until and unless we improve the revenue resources to the state, time will come to can face financial crisis. Narakalong na pagkinong try soka, narakalong na kinong kayi patan, ibatri kam na jong kinong blabro. Na if top first and topmost very priority issue is to see that the financial stability of the state. Number two, ringan kan employment. Employment tayo pun they are unemployed. Namun banong bahaga public sector. Hindi issue but encourage ya kipa private sector ru, kenapa kan the space kisamna for employments. Tourism sector, mining sector, educational sector. At least we should see that educated youth dependent space na mga employments. Juro ng tourism, dependent ng jingko juga Shillong, terus biang orang biang internet juga Shillong. I think these are the few issues. I think for me it's not new contesting election because I think you understand when I contest Mausenram from a newly formed party, I lost only by 600 votes. My candidate, he went by 100 votes against the sitting MLA's MPC candidates. I think understand my potentiality. I come to Shillong from Maukar and Pentorumkra. I win the election within 45 days. For me, no problem to contest from Pentorumkra also. But the only thing is, my mind and heart should be for the people. That is very important. We should have a strong connection with the people, for the people.
So you don't see that the hindrance like a stalwart like Bahek to be a very strong opponent, and maybe you would not stand a chance.
Yes. See, in a fight, I think, fighting against a veteran, a very senior most experienced people, it is a very good fight. I think even people also are very interested to see the fight between the two giants. I think I choose that kind of fight.